Hello, astronomy kids. Mr. Johansson here. Just want to go over what Newton added to astronomy. All right, so what did Isaac Newton add to astronomy? Isaac Newton came up with 3 laws of motion, which are fundamental to physics, explaining how and why things move. But what did he do that mattered so much with modern astronomy? All right, the story is that he saw an apple fall to the ground, and some stories it hit him on the head. But what did this have to do with astronomy? Well, he looks and he sees that apple falling, and we have an apple and it's falling. Well, what force is pulling it down? All right, and now he's starting to wonder if you have the moon going around the Earth. So if this now is the Earth, is the moon being pulled down the same way the apple is being pulled down by the Earth? He does some calculations and he realizes that that is the case. He comes up with his formula for how gravity works. And how gravity works is a very straightforward formula. That's the force equals mass of one object multiplied by the mass of the second object divided by their distances squared. And then he realized that you need to put in some constant, a very, very small number. He didn't know how small, but he knew it had to be a very small number. Sometime later, Henry Cavendish came up with exactly what that number was by very carefully measuring masses and their effects on each other. But that wasn't really the biggest part of what Newton did. The biggest part of what Newton did was to realize what's happening here, what we study in labs here, the numbers that we come up with for universal laws here, apply up there, apply in the celestial sphere, apply in the heavens. People had not even really been able to think outside the Earth. For Newton to demonstrate that you can actually think and formulate laws that would apply universally, that was entirely new. That was world-shaking. And it set the stage for modern astronomy. We can study stuff in labs here, and we know that those things are going on in outer space. We know that those things are going on across the universe. Why? Because the laws that we have formulated to express physics, we understand those laws are in force across the entirety of the universe. So we can begin understanding clearly what's going on in the heavens based on the laws that we use here on Earth. That was new, and that changed everything that followed. Thanks for watching.